Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. Today we are going to check the Vwap scanner performance. The first stock we got Century Textiles. So we just check with the Century Textiles future. Just mark the Vwap level. $363.30. See, now the market breaks the Vwap level and the 5 minutes candle is closed above the level. That means it's a buy call. Next one is Muthoot Fin 642.70. Muthoot Fin 642 point. Yes, both are the candle is closed above the level. That means 5 minutes candle closing above the Vwap level. As per my strategy, it's a buy call. Those who follow my Telegram channel, you may know about this strategy. If the 5 minutes candle is closed below the level, we are go for sell. Above the level, we are go for buy. The same strategy I am following this one also, this candle also. So Century Textiles and Muthoot Fins, those stocks are the top position. So I picked these two stocks because it's too close. LTP and Vwap is too close. So Muthoot Finance is the buy call and Century Textiles also buy call. See, now Muthoot Fins and Muthoot Fins start moving up. Every 1 minute this scanner will be updating. So Century Textiles, it's a buy level because the 5 minutes candle is closed above the level. That means it's a buy call. Keep on tracking the Vwap level. Now Vwap level is changed. Muthoot Fin 644. See, 2 points is up. Vwap, then 644. You can use this for trailing also. $633.60. See, Muthoot Finance is now 655.656. Good movement, we got it. This scanner helped to pick the best stocks. No need to watch all future stocks, just top 2 or top 3 stocks only. Just tracking the Vwap value, it will keep on changing when the market is moves up. Vwap point is the main point. Market change for its direction. Maybe it's go upside or downside. So those who are following to trade Vwap, this scanner definitely helpful for you. And this is a future stocks and this scanner mainly for future trading. This scanner is not for equity trading, only for future trading. Last few days I watched this channel and it's getting good result, and some of my subscribers asked me to make a strategy for this channel. That's why I made this video. I use the same strategy, that's the breakout strategy. It means 5 minutes candle closing above the level, buy below the level, sell. If you know any other strategy, you can follow that one. Just pick the top 2 stocks with Vwap level. That is the main thing. I did some modification on this scanner. If you want to search any stocks Vwap level, you just type the stock name. You will get the Vwap level there. Okay. Now Muthoot Fin is close to Vwap level. Then there is a chance for sell. So it's 46.70. That's the Vwap level now. If the candle is closed, see the central textiles is fire. So the buy call is work fine in central textiles. The same time, Muthoot Finance it's closed below the Vwap level. So if this candle is closed below the Vwap level, we can go for sell. The same candle high is our stop loss. First buy call we got first buy call we got on Muthoot Finance and Central Textiles, both work fine. So now we are going to get a sell call and just wait the candle closing. If the candle is closed below the level, we can go for sell. If above the level, go for buy. Go for buy. Okay, the candle is closed below the level, so it's a sell call. Just sell it this level, and stop loss is above the candle high. Okay, market is reverse. If stop loss is hit and the candle is closed above the level, then we are go for buy again. Okay, stop loss is hit and the candle is closed above the line, so it's a buy call. Just buy it, and stop loss is the same candle low. Okay, this is the stop loss. Buy level minus stop loss is the target. Okay, 653.65, that's our target. Let's see. See, our target is hit. Muthoot Fin target is hit. So this is the way the scanner is working. If you know any other strategy, you can follow it with Vwap level. Okay, so you got some idea about this scanner. Okay, now I'm going to explain about this scanner. The first thing is, this scanner is working only with the latest version of Excel, that means 2013 or above version with the Power Query support, and it will not work with the 2007 version. So if your Excel is old version, please update to 2013 or above version. Okay, if your Excel is 2013 version, do one thing, just download to Power Query. If you just Google Power Query for Excel, you can download and install the file. That's it. That's the first thing. The second thing, recently I may add a search box. Suppose if you want to check any future stocks VWAP level, you can type here. Suppose, see, ITC is not here in the list. So if you want to check ITC's level, just type ITC, then ITC level is comes, future VWAP level comes. Like that, any future stocks you want to check. Hindalco also not in the list, and if you want to check Hindalco, just search Hindalco, then Hindalco right will be comes here. That's the second thing. And this scanner will be update every 1 minute, and here you can get last update time and date, you will get it here. Okay. And another disadvantage is this scanner validity is only for 1 month, because as you know that every month future contract will be expire, and every month I need to make a scanner like this. And so far I made an equity scanner. Equity scanner is very easy. Once made, we can use for lifetime. But future scanner is not like that equity scanner. Every new contract is comes, I should make new scanner like this, and it's a complicated scanner. I may this is the one of the complicated scanners so far I made, because this working with the Vwap, open interest and volume, and some calculation. Based on some calculation, this scanner pick these stocks. Okay, so this month and next month I will provide free for all my premium members. So this 2 months is enough to know about the accuracy of this scanner. And this scanner is not for equity stocks, it's for future stocks. Those who are trading only future, you can use this scanner with VWAP level. And strategy I followed in my breakout strategy. If you are following my Telegram channel, you may know about this strategy, the level based strategy, because the 5 minutes candle is closing above the level, we are going to buy, below the level we are going to sell. But here VWAP level we used as the decision point. Okay, and the VWAP level keep on changing based on the market movement. So you just keep on tracking this VWAP level. And selection of stocks is, I'm usually pick top 3 or 2 stocks which is close to LTP and VWAP level. Okay, that's the second thing. And strategy I'm following that breakout strategy. If you have any other strategy, you can follow with that strategy. Myself, I follow that breakout strategy. In my video, you may not that how it's working, the candle close below or above the level. So that strategy I'm following, and you can also check with a few days. Okay, these are the main thing you know about this scanner. And next thing, if you want to download this scanner, just visit my website nicholasnilo.com, log in with your user ID and password, then screener section NSE scanner, just click it and scroll down. You can download all other scanners, these are equity scanners, and just scroll down to bottom. Here you can see future scanner open interest plus VWAP 31 October 2009. So this is the this month scanner, and click here, you can download it. Once you download the file, just click and open it and save to your desktop. And here you can see enable editing, just click enable editing. Okay, then it will be working fine. Every 1 minute it will be updating automatically. And if in the search box after market open, if you want to check any stocks VWAP level quickly, you can type that stock name here like this. Okay, and another thing, the validity is for 1 month. Next month also I will make a scanner like that, like this, and update on the site, because this scanner takes so much time to make. That's why, because so much content I included in this scanner. It's not at all, it's not an open interest plus VWAP scanner breakout. I'm added to volume also. Okay, so I think this is one of the best scanner so far I made, and most complicated scanner also. Hope you like this scanner. Anyway, you just download and watch it for few days, then only you go for real trade, because this is a future trading. This is future trading, so highly risky trading. That's why first you should watch it for few days and check the performance, then only go for real trade. So hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasmiller2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasmiller.com. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.